Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another quick update on the Kickstarter campaign for Headstamp's most recent book, Thorneycroft SA80 British Bullpup Firearms. I'm very happy to announce we have hit another major stretch goal. We hit the $80,000 mark, which means we have unlocked another section on specific British ammunition. So this time it's the 4.85mm cartridge that was used in the Enfield weapon system. So I guess the big question is, what is 485? How is this actually different from 5.56mm?
That's an excellent question. It isn't that different from 556. I guess that's the take-home of this additional chapter, this is partly derived from the work of Peter Labbett, who was a British ammunition expert. Unfortunately, his self-published sort of treatise on the 4.85 or 485 round is very, very hard to get hold of. So this will be one of the only places that you can get in-depth information on the 485 cartridge. But yeah, it's essentially this may be unfair to the designers who put an awful lot of work into this cartridge, more than you would think, developing even blank loads, tracer, you name it, the full suite of rounds. But it's really a derivative of 556, and with hindsight, it's kind of hard to understand, wrap your head around why the hell we Brits thought we could reinvent 556, which is exactly what we tried to do. So the case is 1mm longer. The bullet is, as you can tell from the name, slimmer and therefore also longer. So unknowingly, we were also reinventing the Soviet 4.45 round, because that's the same concept. It's a slimmer, smaller cross-section, greater sectional density, potentially a better penetrator, potentially a higher velocity load. But as you'll learn from reading the annex, it's in hindsight, it's maybe not all that.
So they went to all that work and came up with kind of the same thing again?
I don't. Well, yeah. Sadly, I don't. You can see the logic, because what I didn't mention, because getting into the meat of that section, is that they start with 6.25. They basically they go back to the drawing board and they go, let's design the perfect small caliber, high velocity bullet. Great. And they do that in 6.25 in a testbed EM2. And then they scale that bullet down to fit the 5.56 case, and that's 4.85. Yeah. So it's on the one hand, super scientifically designed and British, damn it, but then it's also just a rip-off of 5.56.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking forward to seeing this whole section added to the book. It's already going to be a fantastic book. We've blown through a whole bunch of stretch goals already, and we have some more cool ones coming up. So if you haven't ordered a copy yourself, definitely head over to the Kickstarter page. I have a link in the description below. Check it out. Check out the mock-ups we have of the book, the different versions that are going to be available, and the cool stretch goals that we still have to, hopefully, with your help, break through. Thanks.